Let's try the most expensive grapes in the world. And these are from Japan. It's called the green muscat shine grapes. And this cost me around 50 bucks. So if we can do the math on that, let's see how much is in here. So each grape is going to cost you around $1.50. And honestly, they look like the most perfect and pristine, clean grapes I've ever seen in my life. Come on, man, they taste like regular grapes. They are bigger, they're juicier, but flavor-wise, nothing really crazy. It's not really sweeter. They just look really good. It's not 50 bucks worth of grapes. It's whatever. This is honestly like a regular grape. In terms of value to flavor ratio, I'm giving this like a 5.6 out of 10.
Oh my god, jumbo size. So good, yeah.
It's not so good. It's the same thing.
No.
Yeah, it is.
जो यहाँ का जो
It's the same flavor.
local? No.
No, okay. The flavor and the sweetness, it's the same thing. There's no difference with the regular grape we get here.
पता क्या? Last 2 years, I thinking कि सारा fruit change है, but इनका fruit जो है अभी भी ठीक है. Yeah, believe me.